After this morning's rain and clouds, we cleared out nicely, especially as we moved into late morning, early afternoon. 67, one of the warmer readings currently at the Charlottesville-Albemarle Airport. Pressure's falling, southerly winds or south-southwesterly wind ahead of our front, and that front will cross the region here tonight. 64 currently at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, and southwesterly winds at 17. And again, the pressure is falling ahead of this next front. So most of the winds are still out of the south and southwest. You'll notice they shift more westerly out across West Virginia. Again, the front is past there, but that front will be pushing eastbound here over the next few hours. It is generating a few showers and some thunderstorms. We'll go a little farther north up into Page County and then up the 81 corridor through Shenandoah, Frederick County. There have been some lightning strikes with this activity, and any of these showers, even if not a thunderstorm, some of these showers could easily produce some winds over 40 miles an hour potentially. We'll go a little farther back to the west now, and we again see some showers back along the Allegheny and Potomac Highlands. So over the next 1 to 3 hours, we still run the risk of a shower or thunderstorm. Not everyone's going to see the activity, but there's still a broader outlook for the potential for isolated strong to severe weather, the main threat being damaging straight line wind from a particular storm. But again, not everyone's going to see that activity, and that should begin to fade after we get to, say, toward 8, 9 o'clock. Here's Futurecast depiction. Here we basically are from between now and about 6, 7 o'clock, and most of the activity is pushing off to our north and west. And then again later tonight we'll start to see more in the way of clearing. Most of us are clear now, but in the morning we'll start in the low 40s across central Virginia, upper 30s in the Shenandoah Valley. Pretty nice day tomorrow. We're back in the low 60s. It will be a bit breezy, upper 50s in the Shenandoah Valley here for Wednesday. So again, temperatures in the morning for many of us will start in the low 40s. Another warm day, most of us in the low 60s with a good amount of sunshine. Again, a breezy westerly wind. And as we look ahead into Thursday, we'll cool down a little more. Friday will probably be one of our cooler days. Into Saturday, there will be a system passing to our south during this time, and there's still a chance of maybe a stray shower on Friday. So a cold front is out to the west here tonight. It will cross the region, and we don't really cool off that much behind it. The next storm is going to continue to work across the southern tier of the U.S. There'll be more severe weather from Texas and the deep south starting later tonight into tomorrow, and a lot of that moisture is going to stay to our south, taking us into late Thursday night and early Friday. But again, we'll watch this front coming through here tonight. Temperatures are still quite warm in the 60s. Tomorrow, most of us are in the 60s. Then we get a little modest cool down with temperatures pretty much in the low to middle 50s here on Thursday. And as we look ahead to Thursday, there's that system I alluded to working across the southern tier of the United States. That'll move offshore into early Friday. A little disturbance coming down on Friday could trigger a late day shower, but again, this storm will kind of phase offshore and become a windstorm, if you will, farther to our east. Temperatures here tonight, low 40s across central Virginia, upper 30s in the Shenandoah Valley. Next hour or two, there could still be a shower or storm. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny, warm and breezy. Most of us in the lower 60s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, some more temperature fluctuations, but a largely dry forecast. There could be a shower there on Friday. Coolest day Saturday before temperatures rebound back in the 60s Sunday into next week.